Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we discussed about model question paper 1 under that section C. In this video, we are going to know about model question paper 1 under that section D. It is 10 marks questions. In this section, we have to attend 2 questions, but they will give 4 questions. 2 questions we have a choice. Let us know about the one by one. 37th question. Calculate median and mode. Calculate median and mode from the following distribution. Next, they are given information of daily wages. Next, number of workers. 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800, 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400. Next, they are given information of number of workers. 6, 9, 15, 10, 7, 3. So the daily wages we can denote it as a class interval, because in this problem continuous series, in this problem, given problem in the form of continuous series, we can denote it as a class interval. Next, number of workers, it is a class interval. Number of workers we can denote it as a frequency. So as it is information, we have to write. Class interval is given 200 to 400. This is a solution for this problem. First we have to find out the median. Next we have to find out the mode. Okay dear students, first we have to write as it is given information. Class interval 200 to 400, 400 to 600, 600 to 800, 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400. Next, they are given information of frequency. As it is, we have to write. Frequencies are given 6, 9, 15, 10, 7, 3. This is the given information. So if we want to find out mean, means we have to CI, we have to convertible into a x. Next we have to convertible into a fx. But here they didn't ask about the mean, so they will ask median and mode. So directly we can identify the LCF here. I think all are know about how to identify the LCF. LCF, first 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 7, 47, 47 plus 3, 50. So next, total, we have to make a total of frequency. We have to make a total of frequency. So we will get 50. The last value of LCF and frequency of total, both are equal. So this is the table. If you want to calculate median and mode, CIF and LCF is enough. Okay. Next we have to identify the median class. First we have to identify the median class. If you want to identify the median value, first we have to identify the median class. Okay. So median class formula n by 2. N by 2. N means total frequency, how much? 50. 50 divided by 2. So 50 divided by 2, we will get 25. 25. See, this median class of 25, we have to identify in LCF. 25 will come between the 15 and 30. 15 and 30. So we have to take next one. So this is the median class. This is the median class. So after identifying the median class, so under the median class, class interval are 600 to 800. 600 to 800. Next we have to apply the median formula. Next we have to apply the median formula to identifying the median value. To identifying the median value. Okay, dear students. The formula I think all are know about that. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Next F into C. So next we have to identifying these are the values under the table. L means lowest value in the class interval under the median class. This is the median class, right? Under that L means lowest class interval 600 to 800. Under that lowest is 600. So this is the L. Identifying red pen. So this is the L. This is the L. Next we need information of n by 2. N I think all are know about that. 50 by 2 we will get 25. Next CF means cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency is before or preceding the median class. Preceding the median class is, this is the median class. Preceding of median class is called as CF. CF is 15. CF is 15. Next C means common difference. Common difference between the all the class interval 200 to 400, 400 to 600. The common difference is 200. The C value is, I will write here, C value how much? 200. The common difference is 200. Next frequency. Frequency in the median class is 15. This is the frequency. So now we find out all the values. L 600, n by 2. So 50 divided by 2. CF 15, C common difference 200, F frequency 15. Okay, dear students. Now we have to simplification of this formula one by one. Okay, median is equal to L means 600 plus n by 2 n 50 divided by 2 minus CF value 15 divided by frequency value 15 into common difference how much? 200. Next we have to simplification of this. 600 plus 50 by 2 you will get 25. 25 minus 15 divided by 15 into 200. Next median is equal to 600 plus 25 minus 15 will get 10 divided by 15 into 200. Next median is equal to 600 plus 10 divided by 15. We have to division. 10 divided by 15. We will get 0.666. You can write 0.6667 into 200 into 200. Median is equal to 600 plus, if you multiplication of this we will get 133.33. Next we have to make total of this. 600 plus 133.33 we will get the answer 733.33. This is the way of identifying the median. Okay, dear students, in this problem we are identifying the median. Okay, next again we have to identify one more thing. So calculate the median and mode. Median is over. Next we have to identifying the mode. Next we can identifying the mode. Before going to formula, first we have to identifying the model class. Same like a median class. The median class is 600 to 800. So the model class also same. Model class is 600 to 800. Next we have to apply the formula of mode. Z is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. This is the formula. Next we have to identify these are the values in a table. L means we already know about that. L is a 600. You can identify in a table. So we need a required information of L. So L is 600, same. Next we need a Fm. So means model of frequency. Model of frequency Fm. This is the Fm. This is the Fm. Fm is 15. Next we required information of F1 and also F2. F1 and also F2. So F1 is preceding of frequency of model class. So preceding means before. This is the F1. So next we required information of F2. F2 means the next frequency of the model class. This is the model class. The next frequency is this is. So this is the F2. So C means common difference. We already know 200. So we can identifying the all the values. I will write all the values of this. L how much? L is 600. Next Fm. Fm is 15. Fm is 15. Next F1. F1 is 9. F2. F2 is 10. Next C. Common difference is 200. These are the required information we already find out. Next we have to simplification of mode. Mode is equal to L how much? 600 plus Fm. Fm how much? 15. 15 minus F1 9 divided by 2 into Fm how much? Fm is 15. F1 9 minus F2 how much? F2 is 10 into common difference is 200. We have to simplification of this. Mode is equal to, mode we can denote it as a Z. 600 plus 15 minus 9 we will get 6. We will get 6 divided by 2 into 15. 2 into 15 30 minus 9. Both are minus values. So we can add 9 plus 10 19 into 200. Again we have to simplification of this. 600 plus 6 divided by 30 minus 19 we will get 30 minus 19 will get 11 into 200. Mode is equal to 600 plus 6 by 11. 6 by 11. If a division we will get 0.5454 into 200. Mode is equal to 600 plus 0.54 into 54 into 200. If a multiplication of this we will get 109.08. Next, mode value we have to multiplication, we have to add this one. 600 plus 109 we will get 709.08. This is the answer for this question. We have to identifying the median and mode. Okay dear students, Sometimes they will ask in examination, find out the mean, median and mode. If you want identifying the mean, first we have to identify in a table x and f. So x into f means fx we have to identify. Next we have to apply the formula. Mean formula is fx divided by n. So this is the way of solution for median and mode. Okay dear students.